So we have a couple of new products and some that are improved in our kitchen line. One of our new products, or it's one that's been brought back, is our Fresh Produce Wash. This is great for cleaning your berries, your blueberries. It's going to help get off that bacteria that's stuck on there in the dirt, and it will make your fruits and vegetables last longer. This is free of phosphates and SLS, SLES, and parabens, so you don't have to worry about what you're putting into your fruits and vegetables. And in 16 ounces of water, all you need to do is add a half an ounce, and that's it. And let it sit for a couple of minutes, and then you rinse it off and you put it back in your fridge, and it'll last longer than you would normally have. And you've got all the dirt and debris off of it. One of the other items that we had reformulated is our dishwashing liquid. This is also free of phosphates, phthalates, SLS, SLES, and dyes, and I love that it is scented with essential oils now instead, which is fantastic. My other favorite new item is our dishcloth, which I use on a daily basis, but now we have it in blue, our Norwex blue. And why do I love it in blue? Because the one in white, you can see, is nice and used, and it does get stained because it is a cloth, and it does clean a lot of junk and dirt and dried on greasy, grimy, crusty stuff off our pans. So we do still have the white available, but the Norwex blue is a nice option if you are worried about having your cloths look a little bit nicer in the kitchen. So if you have any questions, I would love for you to contact me. If you have a consultant already, please do contact them. But you can catch my email address at the end of this video. Thanks so much for listening and watching.